Are you in a puddle? Make a big splash. You gonna jump? You're silly. Run through the puddle. Not crawl through it. Run through it, silly. Run. There's another puddle over there, too. Behind you. Yeah. Run through the puddle. Run, 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 run. You like your new rain boots? Yeah. They're pretty cool, huh? That puddle over there looks a little deep. They're wet. No, not your hands, just your feet. We don't throw the rocks, okay? Giovanni, we don't throw rocks. Let's leave them on Auntie's yard, okay?
Auntie's yard?
Yeah, this is Auntie's yard, too.
Auntie's yard?
No. Only right here. No, not in the street. Yeah. See, yeah. Uh-oh, you getting all wet? Want to go inside?
No. Go inside.
Are you dancing? Do the rain dance. You're silly. Say hi, no, hi, Noni, I love you.